What we're seeing here right now is the natural habitat of a gamer. He is looking for a video game controller. But first, he needs to assert dominance in his area. Right now, he is deeply focused on his game. It's either euphoria when he wins, or deep rage when he loses.
Heroes, attention! Before starting your favorite but most rage-inducing video game, make sure to have this list ready. By the way, this list also works when you're angry in general. I've prepared a list for you to go through before doing any activity which might make you angry. For example, playing video games. The link is down below or up there or up there. I think it's up there. What is this list all about, you ask? It's preparation for what's bound to happen sooner or later. For example, this guy, he likes playing video games, and after losing one or two, he usually tilts and gets really angry. Because anger, fear, aggression, the dark side of the force they are. Easily they flow, quick to join you in a fight. Ready to gain some experience? Let's go. Anger is actually not an inherently bad thing. It's just a warning signal from your body that something's off. According to Dr. Barbara Cox, anger is often responsible for letting us know when our boundaries have been crossed, when our values are at risk, or that we're not being true to ourselves. So, it's totally normal to have such an emotion, but it's really important to pay attention to it. Ever felt like you turn into a different person when you're angry? That's because anger is a highly physiological emotion. A lot of changes happen to your body. Even if it's just temporarily, you will literally become a different person. Adrenaline rushes through you. You feel strong and you're ready to act. Glad you asked what adrenaline actually is. Adrenaline is a hormone and neurotransmitter produced by the adrenal glands that participates in the sympathetic nervous system's fight or flight response to situations which are high stress, dangerous, and or physically exhilarating. Also, your blood pressure increases. Your heart rate will increase and your blood will start pumping into your head. That's why you get a red face. This fight or flight response, triggered by the adrenaline, makes you clench your fists, your jaws, and tighten your muscles. That's an evolutionary reflex, which is supposed to prepare you for battle or fight off enemies or flee. You become hyper-focused. Again, your body prepares you for a very intense situation. So you actually lose the ability to process complex information. Instead, you're focused on a single task. You probably know what I'm talking about. Remember the last time you were angry? You wouldn't listen to anyone else except for yourself because you're focused on only one thing. For example, you are in a dangerous situation. You need to flee from a tiger chasing you. You don't care about whether it's raining or not. You don't care about the heat. You don't care if you have shoes on or not. You're only focused on how to get away from danger, filtering out all unnecessary information. Alright, now we have learned what's happening to your body when you get angry. But before we move on to the countermeasures, make sure to hit the like button to make YouTube happy, subscribe to my channel to help me out if you want to, and also hit the bell button for some extra XP. Alright, best thing you could do when you get angry while playing a video game is
K.
End of story. Okay, I got it. Your pride. You can't just quit the game. You need to win at least one game before you can end the session, right? I understand you. So, that's where we come into play. Make sure you have this list prepared and also have read through it before you start any activity which might induce anger. Number one thing to do is to breathe. Guys, remember, when your body is full of adrenaline, you only focus on one thing. And when you're gaming, for example, your focus is just to win. Your breath usually gets shallow and fast, which is not good. Instead, try breathing in a controlled manner. Your inhalation and exhalation ratio should be around 1 to 2, meaning breathing out should take twice as long as breathing in. That will disrupt the fight or flight response from your body and calm down the nervous system. Number 2, admit that you're angry. Allow yourself to say you're raging right now. Being self-aware is what's helping you to get rid of that foggy mind. Number 3, don't punch a pillow. Contrary to popular belief, these common reactions don't decrease your anger. In fact, researchers found that they may increase your hostility. So, don't punch. Number 4, as explained, your body will tensen up when you're angry. Try loosening the muscles step by step. Start from the top, going to the bottom. Stop clenching your jaws. Drop your shoulders. Open your fists. And breathe into your stomach. That way, you calm down your body. Number 5, set a 5-minute timer. Allow your body to relax first before continuing your task. During this time, try to distract yourself a little bit. That's it. Simple yet effective tips to calm your inner rage down. Now that you actually know what's happening to your body when you get angry and how to calm down, it's time for a level up. Looking forward to leveling up with you again, heroes. Gangwon out.